Right, Rigatoni? Alright, I got the Kingsyard triple bird feeder. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So I was looking for a bird feeder for my backyard, so I got a lot of stuff going on in my garden. It looks really nice. And I do have a couple of bird feeders out there already. I wanted something that had a metal design. It kind of looked like a house. Looking forward to checking this out because it just looked cool. So let's open it up, take a look. Look at that. Very nice. So wow, this is very sturdy, all metal construction. Isn't that cool? That is a cool looking house. Wow, it's got a plastic right here. So it's got different compartments. How does this work? This is cool. It's like a little Cape Cod. You got a little Cape Cod window on here. A little chimney on the back. That is pretty cool looking. I like the white the on it too. That's cool. The way this works is it's got a little handle on here so you can hang it up off of a hook or wherever you want to hang it off of, tree limb. And the way this works is you just pull this hook out right here. I think one of these sides presses in a little bit. And this lid lifts off. And you've got 3 separate compartments in here. 1, 2, and 3. So if you wanted to, you could feed 3 different species of bird on here. And it's got a nice little tray in here with drain holes. In case you get water in there, you get the drainage coming out of the bottom of it. Very nice. Plenty of room for the birds to sit on here. This is going to be super cool. Let's take this thing outside, fill it up with bird feed. All right, so we've got some bird feed from my local store. I just got a variety of wild bird feed, and I'm just going to put it in all 3 of these containers. And I think at some point I'll probably get 3 different types of bird feed to try and draw different types of birds here because I have cardinals and I have orioles and I have all kinds of stuff here. But pretty simple. Just take the lid off. Then we'll put this back on, put this guy back on, easy enough. And now we got to go find a spot to hang it. So I like to put this thing right in the middle of this large plant. I think one of the issues sometimes people have with bird feeders is that the bird food drops all over the ground, and I figure if it's in this side of this bush right here, it'll drop on side of that bush and I won't see it. One of the reasons I put this up here, and just to check this thing out, the paint on this is really nice. Got the little window right there. I've got it centrally located so that I can see it when I'm sitting on my back porch. And I think this thing just looks wonderful. So now we've got it up. Now we just got to wait for the birds to find it and get some food. Right, Rigatoni? But yeah, check it out.